Hey there, juice lovers. Today, we're going to whip up some delicious and healthy juice recipes. That'll give you the energy boost you need while also keeping you hydrated and nourished. So, grab your juicer and let's get started. 1. Boost your energy. Start with a colorful combo of fruits like oranges, green apples, and spinach. Add a handful of kale or spinach for extra nutrients. Finish it off with a splash of coconut water to keep you full and energized. 2. Improve your digestion. Blend a combination of cucumber, apple, and celery for a gentle digestive aid. For a tasty twist, try adding a handful of chia seeds for extra fiber and healthy fats. Finish it off with a splash of ginger ale to relieve bloating and spasms. 3. Weight loss. Mix peaches, pineapples, and kiwi for a sweet and refreshing juice. To lose weight, avoid adding sugars or added sugars to your juice. Add a handful of leafy greens like spinach or kale for extra nutrients. Finish it off with a splash of lemon juice for a natural appetite suppressant. 4. Anti-inflammatory. Blend a combination of ginger, turmeric, and a bit of lemon juice for a powerful anti-inflammatory. Add a handful of kale or spinach for extra nutrients. Finish it off with a splash of coconut water for hydration. 5. Improve your immune system. Blend a combination of leafy greens like spinach and collard greens. Add a touch of ginger for a natural immune booster. Finish it off with a splash of lemon juice for vitamin C support. And there you have it, 5 amazing juice recipes that'll give you the energy boost, improve your digestion, help you lose weight, fight inflammation, and boost your immune system. Enjoy, and don't forget to share your tasty creations with us in the comments below. Stay healthy, everyone.